So we are done with air and the layers of atmosphere. Now we'll just get into water. I'm so sorry. Water, a substance, consists of two molecules, hydrogen and oxygen, and exists in all the three forms: gaseous state as water vapor, liquid state as water, solid state as ice cubes. Water mainly comes from river, pond, lake, well, etc. Rainwater is the main source of water on earth. Often water has some impurities such as sand, dirt, mud and germs, and they are called as impurities. And there are two types of impurities: soluble impurity and insoluble impurity. So, as we have two types of impurities in water, we also need to remove those impurities to make the water potable. Okay, so to remove these impurities, we have few methods. Okay, so techniques to remove impurities from water. So, removing insoluble impurities, we have three techniques called sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. Okay. Filtration is nothing but in this method, a soluble impurities are removed by passing the impure water through a filter paper. Okay, for example, a mixture of sand and water can be separated by the filtration technique. A circular piece of filter paper is taken and folded into pieces, and it is this just placed in the flask, and the water is being poured through it. Okay, and the water, when it just passes through the filter paper, all the impurities are retained by the filter paper, and only the pure water comes and just gets collected in the conical flask. Okay, as you could see over here. Okay, so this is the water which has the mixture of sand, then it comes through the funnel which has the filter paper, and the water which you got is a pure water. Okay, and then we have something called sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation is nothing but when you keep the water in a still position without moving it or without shaking it, without disturbing the water, what happens, the heavy particles obviously will just come and settle down. Okay, then what you can do, you can just decant means once the sedimentation sand particle settles down, you just take the water, but still it will have some impurities, then we can just get into the process of filtration. So first is sedimentation, decantation and filtration. This is how we can remove the insoluble impurities from water. How to remove soluble impurities from water? We have something called two techniques called evaporation and distillation. Evaporation is nothing but once you give some heat source to the water, once you boil the water, what happens, the water will be converting into a water vapor state. Once the water has been converted into water vapor, it just goes away, and all the impurities will be staying in the funnel or flask, whatever you're using. Okay, distillation is nothing but impure water is taken. Okay, then what happens, on heating, water changes into water vapor and the impurities are left behind. When water vapor passes through the condenser, what will happen, it cools down. Okay, once the water cools down, okay, when it getting exposed to a colder weather or something, colder air, it cools down again, the water vapor is getting converted into water. Okay, and this is how the pure water is being collected in the flask.